Today we will see in system of circles. Yes, in the last class we have seen how to find the conditions, angles, everything we have seen. Now we will see different, all these are models are, okay, based on this only 1 4 marks question will come. Okay, find the equation of circle passing from origin and intersect the following circles orthogonally. Orthogonally, right? The circles given is x square plus y square plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0, x square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is passing from origin orthogonally. Model understand here. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the required circle. So what is the point he is given? 0 comma 0 on it. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c. So c is equal to 0. So we got c value. No? Orthogonal condition. What is the orthogonal condition? C plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash to ff dash. Okay, this is the condition. Here what is required? G value, f value, c value. And g dash, f dash, c dash will come from circle for x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0. What is 2g dash? Minus 4. 2f dash minus 6. C dash is 10. What is g dash? Minus 2. F dash minus 3. Okay, you got the value. So c plus c dash. Already what is the c value we got? 0. 0 plus c dash is 10 is equal to 2 into g dash is minus 2 plus 2f into f dash is minus 3. So 10 is equal to minus 4g minus 6f. Cancel with the 2 table. 5 is equal to minus 2g minus 3f. Bring the term this side. 2g plus 3f plus 5 is equal to 0. First equation. Again, for x square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to 0, 2f dash is equal to 12, c dash is equal to 6. So what is g dash? 0. What is f dash? 6. You got g dash and f dash. So c plus c value 0, c dash is equal to how much we got? 6 is equal to 2 into g value into g dash is 0 plus 2a into f dash is 6. Therefore 6 is equal to 12f. So f is equal to 6 by 12, 1 by 2. So you got f value. So put in 1. Put in 1. What is the first equation? 2g plus 3 into f value, how much we got? 1 by 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. 2g plus 3 by 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. LCM is 2. So 4g plus 3 plus 10 is equal to 0. LCM I have taken. So 4g plus 3 plus 10 is equal to 0. From this 4g plus 13 is equal to 0. So 4g is equal to minus 13. Therefore g value is almost what is g value? Minus 13 by 4. So what I have done? In the first equation we have put the values. So what will happen? Minus 4g minus 6f. So cancel with the 2 table. So it becomes 5 minus 2g minus 3f. So rearrange this. Now second equation we got f value is how much, sir? 1 by 2. Put the f value here, sir. 3f, 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 5. LCM if you take 10 plus 4g plus 3 plus 10, that is 13. So g value. Therefore circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 into g value plus 2f, f value, what is f value? 1 by 2 into y, c value 0. So here what is important? Orthogonal condition, circle. Models will be like this. Different models will be there. Same problems. Every time we will be using orthogonal condition use chestuntam, sir. Depending upon condition, we have to start doing it. Okay, please note down this. One more problem. Find the equation of a circle passing from origin and intersect the following circle. Or same model, sir. Solution. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So what is the point? 0 comma 0 on it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. What is the c value we got? 0. Okay. Now orthogonal condition. What is orthogonal condition? C plus c dash is equal to plus 2ff dash. Okay. So for x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2g dash, 2f dash, c dash. Everything will be g dash. This circle always you have to consider g dash. Required circle already g and f we have got. So here we have to consider. So what is g dash? Minus 2. What is f dash? Minus 3. Therefore c plus c dash. C value is 0. Minus 3 is equal to 2 into g into minus 2, 2f into minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to minus 4g minus 6f. Bring the term this side. 4g plus 6f plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Again, what is the second circle, sir? X square plus y square minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. So 2g dash 0, 2f dash minus 8, c dash 12. What is g dash? 0. What is f dash? Minus 4. Again c is 0 plus 12 is equal to 2 into g dash 0 plus 2f into f dash is minus 4. So 12 is equal to minus 8f. So f is equal to minus 12 by 8, which is minus 3 by 2. Cancel with the 4 table. Minus 3 by 2. F is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Put in 1. Okay, what is that? 4g plus 6 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 4g, this will get cancelled 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So minus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0. 4g minus 6 is equal to 0. 4g is equal to 6. G value 6 by 4. You got g value, f value. Therefore, circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2 into f value minus 3 by 2 into y plus c value 0. You can cancel, otherwise leave the answer here. Ilaga old days na problem లేదు sir. Okay, substitute the values. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటి same procedure, equation has been changed. Okay, let us see next problems. Next, find the equation of circle passing from 0 comma minus 3 and intersect the following circles given by x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0. Now, what is the point here is given? 0 comma minus 3. Okay. Let zero is the required circle. Okay, what is the first point? 0 comma minus 3 on it. 0 plus 9 minus 3 square, sir. plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. So 9, this is 0, minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Rewrite this. This can be written minus 6f plus c plus 9 is equal to 0. First equation. Right? Observe here how the model will be there. Now this is the first equation we got. Now next thing. Orthogonal condition. What is that orthogonal condition? C plus C dash is equal to 2ff dash. Same concept. For x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus y is equal to 0. 2g dash is minus 6, 2f dash 3 and c dash is equal to 5. What is g dash? Minus 3. F dash 3 by 2. Now c plus c dash. Now we do not know c value, sir. So we have to write c. C dash is what, sir? 5 is equal to 2 into g dash minus 3 2f into 3 by 2. Okay. Now observe here. C plus 5 is equal to minus 6g. 2 will get cancelled plus 3f. Bring the term this side. 6g minus 3f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Second equation. Now what I have done? I brought the term this side. 6g minus 3f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Again, what is that? Again, for x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0. 2g dash is minus 1, 2f dash is minus 7, c dash is equal to 0 because there is no c dash. G dash is equal to minus 1 by 2, f dash is equal to minus 7 by 2. Right? Now c plus c dash, c value we do not know, c dash is 0, 2 into g into minus 1 by 2 plus 2f into minus 7 by 2. Okay, so 2 will get cancelled. C is equal to 2 will get cancelled minus g, and here 2 will get cancelled minus 7f. Bring the term this side. G plus 7f plus c is equal to 0. Third equation. Right? Okay, third equation. Now we consider second and third equation. Okay, consider second and third. What is the second equation? Here. Plus c plus 5 is equal to 0 plus c is equal to 0. Right? Now, what I have considered is subtract minus plus minus, c will get cancelled. So 5g plus 4f plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. What I have done? I have subtracted, I got. Now what is the first equation we got, sir? What is the first equation? Minus 6f plus c plus 9 is equal to 0. Now only two variables are there. Okay. So what will happen? 7g. Now consider again. This is the fourth equation. Consider 1 and 2. What is the 1 and 2? What is the first equation? Minus 6f plus c plus 9 is equal to 0. What is second equation? 6g minus 3f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Again subtract minus plus minus minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 12g plus 3f plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the fifth equation. So I have considered 2 and 3. I have considered 1 and 2. So what does that get? Minus 12g plus 3f plus 4 is equal to 0. Fifth equation. We have to solve 4 and 5. Okay. Look at here this problem. Why it is? We have to consider all the conditions. Okay. Note down this. Now we have to solve 4 and 5 equation. What is the fourth equation I am writing here? 5g plus 4f plus 5 is equal to 0. Next one, minus 12g plus 3f plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the fourth equation. Fifth equation again, g, f, 1. Same models. So first 4, 5, 5, then 4. Y coefficient, F coefficient, constant, G coefficient, again this one. Next one here, 3, 4, minus 12, 3. So G by 16 minus 15, 16 minus 15, F by minus 60, minus 20, then 1 by 15 plus 48. So G is equal to G by 1 is equal to F by minus 8, 1 by 63. So G value 1 by 63, F value minus 80 by 63. So we got G value, F value. Okay. Put in first equation. Okay. What is the first equation we got? First equation is our third equation. G plus 7F plus C is equal to 0. G value 1 by 63, F value 7 into minus 80 by 63 plus C is equal to 0. 63 is LCM, 1 minus of minus plus 63 C is equal to 0. So this becomes 561 plus 63 C is equal to 0. 63 is equal to minus 561, C is equal to minus 61 by 3. Therefore, circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx. G value is what, sir? 1 by 3x plus 2 into F value. What is F value? Minus 80 by 63y plus C value minus 561 by 63 is equal to 0. Okay, here solving the equations. Okay, please note down. Next, find the equation of the circle. Passing from origin and having its center on line x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 4, and intersecting circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 orthogonally. Okay, I am underlining the points which are very, very important. Now, solution. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. What is the point he has given? Origin 0 comma 0 on it, means 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. What is the c value? 0. Next. Now what is this? Center. So what is the center? On the line x plus y is equal to 4. So first I am putting center, means what? Minus g key 4. Minus g minus f. Bring the term this side. G plus f plus 4 is equal to 0. Second equation. First equation we call it. Right? So with the point we got one condition. With the point, center we got one more condition. Next, orthogonal condition. What is the orthogonal condition? C plus c dash is equal to 2ff dash. Okay, for x square plus y square minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 c dash is equal to minus 4. So what is g dash? Minus 2, f dash is 1. Now we got the values. Now what is that? C value how much we got, sir? Already 0. C dash is what, sir? Minus 4 is equal to 2 into G dash is minus 2. 2F into F dash is 1. Observe your substitutions. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4G plus 2F. Okay, bring the term this side. I brought the terms this side. So it becomes 4G minus 2F minus 4. Cancel with the 2 table. 2G minus F minus 2 is equal to 0. Second equation. Already we got a first equation. What is the first equation, sir? G plus F plus 4 is equal to 0. First equation. We got G value, F value. Okay. So what I have done? Minus G minus F is equal to 4. So G plus F plus 4 is equal to 0. So here orthogonal condition, G dash is minus 2 and F dash is 1. So what will happen? Minus 4, C dash is minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4G plus 2F. Bring the term this side. Okay. Yes, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y. Here. Plus 4s are here. It's not minus 4. Here plus 4. So here what will happen? This plus 4. So this becomes plus 4. Here plus 2. Here it is plus 4. So here what is the equation? Plus 4. So plus 4 will come. So 4 is equal to minus 4G plus 2F. Rearrange this, so it becomes plus 2. So we got second equation, first equation. Solve for G and F. So again, what is the condition? G, F, 1. What are the points? Minus 1. Put a line, put a line, put a line. F coefficient is minus 1. And constant is 2. And the G value 2. Again minus 1. So we have solved. You don't need to solve the answer. 2G minus F plus 2. So F coefficient is minus 1. Constant is 2. G coefficient is 2. Again minus 1. Again for this, what is the F coefficient? 1. What is the constant? 4. And again 1 and 1. So G by minus 4. 1 minus 1 into 4. Minus 1. 1 into 2. 2. Always cross multiplications. Always minus sign will come. F by 2 minus 8 is equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus 1. So minus 1 into 4 minus 4, 1 into 2, 2, because minus sign will be there. 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 2 is 8. So what will happen? G by minus 6, F by minus 6, 1 by minus of minus plus 3. So what is the G value? Minus 6 by 3. And F value? Minus 6 by 3. So what is the G value? Minus 2, F value minus 2. So what is here? Observe here. So orthogonal condition. So 3 conditions has to be given, sir. Always a problems get 3 conditions here, sir. Some conditions. Here passing from origin first condition, center is on the line second condition, orthogonal is third condition. So using this we formulate the equation. Ikkada emaindi C value 0 vachindi, so 1 and 2. So we got G value, F value. Therefore circle equation. X square plus y square, 2gx means minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. Why? C value 0 answer. So ikkada every time we have to get 3 conditions. Okay, please note down this. Okay, find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle which intersects x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 0 minus 3 is equal to 0 orthogonally and passes from 3, 0 and touches y axis. Solution. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is required circle. Okay, I told you we require 3 conditions. Manaku 3 conditions undali. Unnaya leda check cheddam sir. First, orthogonal first condition, passes from 3, 0 second condition, touches y axis. For this problems, 3 conditions should be there. Whatever may be the conditions. Every time our conditions ఉన్నాయో check చేసుకోవాలి సార్. First orthogonal first condition passes from the point second condition touches y axis. So based on this we formulate the equation. First orthogonal condition is what sir? C plus C dash is equal to 2ff dash. Okay, so for x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to minus 6, 2f dash is equal to 4, c dash is equal to minus 3. What is g dash? Minus 3, f dash 2. Therefore, c plus c dash anta sir? Minus 3, 2g into minus 3, 2f into 2. Therefore, c minus 3 is equal to minus 6g plus 4f. Bring the term this side. First equation. So I am bringing the term this side. So this becomes 6g minus 4f plus c minus 3 is equal to 0. First equation వచ్చింది sir. Again 0 comma 3 on the circle. Okay, on the circle. What is the circle equation? X square plus y square. So 0 square, sorry 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means 3 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. So 9 plus 6g plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so we rewrite this. Plus 9 is equal to 0. Second equation. Right? Right? We got the second equation. Now what is the next one? Touches y axis. Means f square is equal to c. What is the third condition? F square. Touches which axis? Y axis. Y axis ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి సార్? F square is equal to c. అదే కనుక x axis అంటే g square అవుతుంది సార్. But generally your textbook says only y axis, so we have to consider y axis only. So if it says x axis, it becomes g square is equal to c. Okay, now we got 3 equations. Solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? Plus minus 3 is equal to 0. And what is the second equation? 6g plus c plus 9 is equal to 0. Subtract minus minus minus. C will get cancelled, g also will get cancelled. Observe here, both g and c will get cancelled. So what that we get? Minus 4f. Okay, this one there is no f, so minus 4f will come. Minus 3 minus 9, minus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 4f is equal to 12. So f is equal to minus 3. You got f value. Now we know what is the third condition? F square is equal to c. So from 3, f square is equal to c means what? C is equal to 9. Means directly we get c value. Now we know f value, c value. Put in 1. What is the first equation? Put in first equation. What is the first equation? 6g minus 4f. 4f f value is minus 3 plus c value how much we got? 9. Minus 3 is equal to 0. 6g plus 12 plus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. So I am substituting the values. C value I got 9 sorry, and f value minus 3. I have substituted. So this becomes what sir? 6g plus 18 is equal to 0. 6g is equal to minus 18, g value minus 3. So what happened? First condition, check up. Always we should have 3 conditions undali sir. Orthogonal, passes from the point, touches y axis. So formulate base ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్మెంట్ తీసుకోండి సార్. ఆర్థోగోనల్ కండిషన్, నెక్స్ట్ పాసింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పాయింట్, లాస్ట్ వన్ టచెస్ y axis. Every time we are finding different conditions. Now you got g value, f value, c value. Therefore circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx means what sir? G value minus 3, so 6x minus 6y, c value 9. Okay, we will be doing some more problems. Anni problems ఇదే మోడల్ సార్. We will be giving you conditions. Based on the condition, ఈ చాప్టర్ అంటే ఇంతే సార్. ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తే ఈ దీంట్లో ఇంకో 4-5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. 5-6 problems are there. With that, this chapter will be over. Next we are going to start important chapter, integration. Okay.